Namaste to all students. Myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today in this session we will discuss about cleaning of eggs plant by using mercury chloride and along with that inoculation of eggs plant into MS media. Here you can simply see that Dr. Chandkala ma'am here transferring mercury chloride solution into eggs plant containing beaker, and now it will she is going to shake that solution to sterilize eggs plant. It will take approximately 1 minute, and we should avoid more cleaning with mercury chloride because mercury chloride will make or will damage eggs plants if we apply it for a long time. So better we should use mercury chloride shaking only for 1 minute, not more than that. After cleaning with the mercury chloride, we have to clean our eggs plant by using distilled water for 4 to 5 times. Now she is cleaning by using distilled water. After cleaning eggs plant by using mercury chloride, then we will on our spirit lamp or gas lamp, whatever we have. So after starting our spirit lamp, then we will take autoclaved battery plate, and then we will put a spirit in it, and we will dip our spatula and forceps in spirit, and then we will try to sterilize our spatula and forceps into spirit lamp by heating process. After sterilization of spatula and forceps, we will start our inoculation process. We have to make sure before starting inoculation process, each and everything should be sterilized, like surface area should be sterilized, our forceps and spatula should be sterilized. We should note down one more also thing that when we are taking any eggs plant by using forceps, so it should not be too much hot, otherwise it can damage the tissue of plant. On the one side, we have to put a piece of tissue paper on which we will put our eggs plant from distilled water. For this step, basically, we have to use spatula or forceps. We should not use any kind of a hand process. And on the tissue paper, excess of distilled water will be soaked from eggs plant, as you can see in this video. We have to make sure that all the excess water from eggs plant must be removed, otherwise it can create contamination after the inoculation process and our eggs plant will be completely damaged. Here you can see that Dr. Chandkala ma'am is making sure that excess of water have been removed from eggs plant. Then we will take our one respective conical flask. Before opening cotton plug, we have to warm and sterilize neck of conical flask, because this is the first place from where outside air will encounter into the conical flask. We have to drain out any kind of a vapor liquid which is present in conical flask. After heating neck of conical flask, then we will plug out our cotton plug, and then we will inoculate X plant into conical flask by using pre-sterilized forceps. We should be aware that cotton plug should be in our hand. It should not be put on any kind of a surface or not on any kind of a place. So basically, we have to inoculate X plant in proper sterilization steps and process. After completing of inoculation of X plant, we have to plug in cotton plug again and warm up the neck of conical flask. After completion of inoculation, we should write down media concentration and plant name. Along with that, we have to mention date also of our inoculation. Here you can see there is 3 BAP media, means 3 ml concentration of BAP media is present, and plant name you can mention in complete or you can mention in any kind of a code word, but you have to mention date properly, because after knowing the date you can clear out and you can decide that when you have to change the media. So approximately 15 days are enough for maintaining plant into MS media. After 15 days, you have to change media, because media concentration and nutrient concentration into media will be deprived as time passes.